Homemade muesli is way better than what we get in market, which has 10 or 12% of sugar. So pay attention how I make muesli at home. First step is to make pieces of the dry fruits you have and make sure it's not completely powdered. And remember, not everything can be blended in a mixer. Some things need manual chopping like this fig, and it's so satisfying to cut a fig. Take a huge vessel in which you can add all the things. Make sure it's extra large so you can keep pouring things one by one. For soft things like cashew, use a mortar pestle to pound it, and for almond you can use a blender. My favorite ingredient in muesli is always dates. It's like natural sugar, and because of this there is no need to add honey or sugar for anything. Add some raisins also to increase sweetness if you need. Oats are another good source of protein and carbs, so make sure to add it as per your needs. Here I am using baked cornflakes. You can buy raw cornflakes and bake them in your oven. To make the muesli extra healthy, add some seeds like sunflower seeds, chia seeds or any other seeds you have. Mix everything very well. Done. Muesli is ready. Store it in an airtight container. Cost wise, this muesli is way much affordable than what we get in market, and also 10 times more healthy because there is no artificial sugar, and we have added those extra seeds which are not even available in any of the muesli sold in the market. While serving, take some milk, add some chocolate or fruits as per your need. Thank you for watching.